Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. The Winter Goddess collection has dropped, and I'm completely enamored of the Norse goddess Frigg, who represents marriage and motherhood, among other things. I went straight to work to balance the texture, the sparkle, the metal, the glass, and wood of this bead mix. And this is an absolutely spectacular bead mix for, pause for crystals. This is a spectacular mix for making a necklace, and all I added were some seed beads in gold and some daisy spacers. The daisy spacers are going to help to make some of those large hole beads balance and sit where you want them to sit. There's actually some beads that you can slide some seed beads into as well. So that's what I did with that gold lantern bead. Really fun. You really can't see through it, but I just felt like I wanted to add it. And those crystal drops look so amazing hanging down towards the front of your necklace. I added some jump rings to the leaf charms, and they look so beautiful. Then I created a focal pendant just with a long head pin, added the crystal and one of the boho beads, and wire wrapped it. Then I've got these bead frames, and the bead frames I wanted beads inside of as well. So I added some seed beads for continuity. You just have to be really careful when you string the beading wire through it. Takes a little bit of practice, but it's easy to do once you figure it out. And then I added bead caps to surround my pendant, and it just added a really cool vibe to that focal section. I love how this came out. I decided to use just a very simple toggle clasp in the back, because there's so much going on with this piece. And I really made sure to balance all of the different elements of this necklace. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I'm crazy about this Frigg bead mix, and I'm crazy about the Winter Goddess collection. Head out to jessejamesbeads.com and check out the entire collection. I think you'll enjoy it very, very much. Thanks for watching.